Before we get into it, let me explain really quickly. I was on the East Coast for a business trip. The flights to come back on Friday were way more expensive than on Saturday, so I decided to come back on Saturday, thus giving myself a little bit of time. I wanted to see how much of New York City I could see in less than 24 hours. So, I don't know, there wasn't much direction to this. I kind of took it with like, hey, I'm gonna rent a Citi Bike and just go all over the city. So, with that, enjoy this video of the less than 24 hours, what you can do in New York City on a bike. Yes. New York City. I'm here for less than 24 hours, so I gotta make the most of it. And that starts with going and getting a bowl of ramen. It's cold, I wasn't prepared. I gotta go find a hat and some gloves. That's better. It says New York established in 1625. I was curious about that. I looked it up. I think it was actually like 1624. The history is fascinating, by the way. So last time I was in New York, I got around all just by the subway. This time, it doesn't make sense to get the 3-day metro pass like I did last time. So this time, Citi Bike. Definitely learning more. It's becoming more first-hand and real to me Casey Neistat's bike lanes video that he did. It's awesome that they have bike lanes, but yeah, there's just like cars parked and stuff in it all the time. It's crazy. Guys, Junior's Bakery right here. Dang good cheesecake. Last time we were here, my brother grabbed some. I think they're kind of well known and famous for their cheesecake. So good. They're closed right now, otherwise I would totally get some. Maybe tomorrow. There are just way too many good food options and stuff here. It's just crazy. Hey, look at this sign right here. I like that. It's a good sign, right? Oh, it's a good message.
It is a perfect message. Well, I'm a musician, so it's a perfect message.
Are you?
Yeah, yeah.
Awesome. Times Square. It's like daytime over here. Times Square. I don't understand. It's not a square. It's more like triangular and angled, but whatever. It's fine. Well, I think that's enough Times Square. It's super late. I gotta go to bed because I'm planning on getting up early. So, good night. It's amazing how the city is alive at night and so alive during the day, and yet so completely different. Just a different experience at night and the day, but it's kind of fun to wake up in the morning, come outside, and everything just looks different and new things to pay attention to. It's pretty fun. Back to the Citi Bikes to explore, see how many things I can hit on that Citi Bike today. Around. Waving. He wants to be in the vlog, I guess. I'm over along the West Side Highway. They have a nice bike path, running path right along the Hudson River. Just gonna head down to Lower Manhattan. Check out some of the piers, maybe go over the Brooklyn Bridge. Those are cool looking buildings. There's so many people out here running, I just wish I brought my running shoes. What a mistake. Next time. I think something that fascinates me the most about New York City is just, one, how vast it is with just buildings, and every building is just completely different, built at a completely different time. At one point, that building though was like brand new. It was like clean, fresh looking, and then over time, like weather takes its toll on it, just general use, imperfections start to take toll on these buildings that, again, at one point were like brand new. someone put like probably hundreds of thousands, millions of dollars into all these buildings that are now like deteriorating. And it's just like fascinating to me that there's this cycle of things start to just go bad, including these huge buildings in this huge city. Like even this pier that I'm sitting on, it's fascinating to see like things are just rusting away and kind of falling apart, and like who knows what's gonna happen to it in the future. I don't know, is it just me that thinks that way, or do any of you guys ever kind of think that way or wonder about things like I was describing? I don't know, I'm weird. Let me know. Guys, this poor guy over here is doing his best taking pictures, but I don't think she's very pleased with the results. Kind of sounds like they were fighting. Good luck. I wish you the best, man. Gotta get those Instagram shots. Gotta get those Instagram shots. You know it. On that grind. Oh, that sucks. Getting towed. Look, this kid's getting his hockey game practice on. Love the dedication. Love the dedication. Keep it up, kid. Nice, dude. You're gonna be in the pros someday. I don't know where I am, but the Citi Bike. I put all my trust in the Citi Bike. That's what this is all about. I like this jacket. That's a sweet jacket. Dang, she's falling. Hang on to that sheet. Don't fall all the way down. That might hurt. What's it telling me to go around? I think I just found where I'm trying to go. Yep, there it is. Found it. This is where I need to be. Lotteries makes amazing macaroons or macarons, however you pronounce it. I'm not even sure the correct pronunciation, but Audrey and I came here and this is the first time I had a macaron, whatever, and was like, okay, wow, that's amazing. They're delicious. So since Audrey's not here, I'm gonna get some and bring them back to her. The hardest part is gonna be picking the flavors. I don't know what to get.
Thank you.
Alright, mission accomplished. I gotta go jet back to the hotel and actually check out. I'll keep exploring though. Gotta get back on that Citi Bike. I have no idea where I am, but that building looks familiar. I think Audrey and I took pictures in front of that building. I'm embarrassed. I'm embarrassed. Right there. Beep beep! Beep beep! Oh, I have a bell. I don't know how to work the bell. I don't... Oh, there it is. Alright, there's the bell. I'm gonna go get lunch. I'm super hungry, and I'm gonna go get some Japanese curry. Here it is. Go curry. Let's go. Oh yeah, tempura shrimp, sausage, chicken katsu. So my hot take on go curry. Portions were great. The chicken katsu was excellent. The rice was perfect. Really good rice. Honestly, the curry sauce though was just a little bit different than I expected. There's a little more like barbecue flavor in it than what I feel like is traditional and normal in Japan. So, heading up to Central Park, back to the races on the old Citi Bike. Here we go. Oh yeah, getting cozy in here. I gotta keep the camera rolling in case I biff it.
What's up, son? What's going on? No, not yet. Not yet.
I can see Central Park ahead. We're closing in. This is a happening park though. I found the ice skating rink. Some spike ballers in the wild. Spike ball! Hey, so if you watched our other New York City vlogs from when Aj and I were here, this is where we went running. The like pond lake thingy is right up there. I'm not gonna take the bike up there, but it's up there where we went running, bringing back some memories. Just had a thought. With all these people running and exercising here in Central Park, I wish that we could know how many miles are run or jog, whatever, in Central Park in a day. Like, wouldn't that be kind of a cool number to know? Like 10,000 miles were jogged by humans in Central Park today. I don't know. Strava? Runkeeper? Can you help us out with that? Busy day at the Met. Look at these lines. Well guys, it's been quite the day of Citi Bike exploring. I'm in Central Park. I've just been kind of walking around. I think I'm about ready to head out. I gotta get to the airport soon, so it's been a fun day. Thank you, Citi Bike. Anyway, hope you enjoy it. I'll probably see you back at the airport. Well, you guys, I decided to add one more item to the list to check off, and that is Grand Central Station. So, here we are. Check out Grand Central Station. Check this out. That's sure. Alright, you guys. Say goodbye to Grand Central Station. Check that off the list. Bye bye, Citi Bikes. Well, that's that. Thanks for watching, you guys. Hit the like button and subscribe. I've got more videos coming soon. See ya.